Okay, now say kiss Daddy. Say love Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Tell Daddy you miss him.
I miss you, Daddy.
What else do you want to say to Daddy? What else do you want to say to Daddy? You want him to come home now?
Come home now. Now. Now.
Say Daddy, I love you.
I love you, Daddy.
I miss you.
I miss you, Daddy.
Give Daddy another kiss.